I am literally on cloud 9. That's what this container home is called at On the Rocks Vacation Rentals, just outside of Chattanooga in Rising Fawn, Georgia. This place is incredible and this view is breathtaking. Let's check it out. The Cloud 9 container might be my favorite of the On the Rocks containers. You pull right up off the road into your parking spot, come down the stairs. You've got some string lights, so if you get here at night, you've got an easy path right to the deck. Off to my left is a pizza oven and a charcoal grill. And underneath they do provide some charcoal, lighter fluid, and some fire starters for the fire pit that's out front.
Yes, it is the perfect spot to relax and enjoy that incredible view. And it is a shared space for a couple of the containers, so you might meet your neighbor while you're here, which is a really fun community aspect of these 3 containers. And then my personal favorite part of this one is the color. I love the green exterior with the contrasting wood deck. It is just so good.
And this is actually the most recent build here at On the Rocks. The Belvedere box was the first, then the hangar was the second, and then this one. And there's definitely a more of a luxury experience with this one, whereas the other 2 have their own experience and feel. And I think that's what's special about this property is you really want to stay at all 3.
I know.
The view's different, the decorations, just the overall experience is different. And you walk right onto the deck that leads you to the front door. So let's go check that out. Real quick, we want to tell you about Packed. Nikki and I struggled to find sustainable travel gear that would carry everything we need for our Airbnb stays. But that all changed when we found Packed. Packed makes some of the best travel gear on the market, and we love their 50-liter duffel that has plenty of space, organization, and our favorite part, it turns into a backpack. Plus, after 1.5 years of using this, it's still like brand new. Packed makes a variety of bags from their large gear hauler to their small fanny packs, so it really meets any traveler's need. And another product is their travel coffee maker, which I'm gonna turn over to Nikki.
Woo! Packed has created the best travel coffee maker that has everything you need to make a cup of joe on the go. It all fits in this sleek case and even includes a kettle so you can have great pour over coffee in no time.
We've fallen in love with this travel gear and it's become our go-to travel bags. We only take on sponsors that we're passionate about. So when we say Packed's products are worth it, we truly mean it.
You can check them out by going through the link in our description below and be sure to use our discount code JOURNEYMORE for 15% off your order. Ooh. And now we're going to tell you guys about the inside. So when you come through the front door, you walk right into the bedroom with a queen bed that is surrounded in panoramic windows to enjoy that incredible view. I love that right above the bed and kind of in the kitchen area, they have these chandeliers that make it feel a little more luxurious in here. And then right past the bed, you come into this living space with a little double couch and 2 ottomans with another huge window in front.
I think that's gotta be my favorite part of the interior is they were very intentional in placing these windows so that wherever you enjoy or wherever you are in here, you're going to be able to take in that view. And then flowing past the living room is the kitchen. It has a mini fridge and freezer, a microwave, nice large sink, an induction stovetop eye, and then all the dishes and utensils that you need to make a meal. And then the full bathroom is right behind that, which is actually surprisingly spacious for a 1 shipping container tiny home.
Yes. I love the gold finishes both in the bathroom and in the kitchen with this green color as well. It is just decorated so well. Tia did a wonderful job with the interior.
Oh yeah. They have a photo that's a puzzle for each property. And then probably the best part are they have custom cards, which we're gonna play with. Zhiyun is a perfect 2-player game that we absolutely love.
Yes, Hayden taught it to me after we met, and we've played it since the beginning of our relationship, so.
Oh, wow. I don't know if I shuffled super well.
Also, you can kind of see your card.
Oh.
Mama didn't write no cheater. Gotta tell him I can see his cards.
Ooh, you got a lot of cards in your hand. Let's see what you got.
This will cancel these. Oh. And a -10.
Oh. Wow. Okay. I got 15, 20, 25, 30, 40.
Woo! Dang.
Wow.
I was trying to be a high roller with all those cards, but
that was fun. Okay, I think it's time for bed.
Let's go to bed.
What a way to end this tour. We've got a rainbow in the distance. You can see for miles. It is breathtaking up here.
This spot is so perfect both day and night. We came out last night and did some stargazing, and you can see the city lit up below, and it's so perfect and relaxing. Love this upper deck. It's got some hammocks to hang out in, a little chair and table combo, so this is definitely one of the best parts of this container.
And now we've officially stayed in all of Wanderchatt's properties. Each one is unique, provides its own experience. They're all amazing. It would be difficult to pick a favorite, but I think right now the Sassafras is the top of my list.
This is a close second though. The panoramic views in the living room, so great.
It's awesome. And then we got to stop by their newest treehouse build, which looks like it might top all of them. So we'll have to see. We'll have to see what happens.
Michael's done a fantastic job building it so far, so we cannot wait to see it finished.
Please don't forget to like the video, subscribe to our channel. We've got new videos coming out every week. And don't forget to check out Pact and their products. We'll leave a link in the description below. And don't forget to use our discount code.